In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add an RSI strategy in TradingView Pro. We'll keep this really simple, and by the end you'll know exactly where to click, what you're looking at, and how to start using the RSI to build a basic strategy on your charts. First, make sure you're logged into your TradingView Pro account and you have a chart open. It doesn't matter which market you're looking at right now, you just need a chart on the screen. Once that's up, look toward the top of the chart or the right-hand side, depending on your layout, for the section where indicators and strategies are listed. You're going to start by opening the strategies section. On most layouts, this is grouped with indicators, often under a button labeled something like Indicators and Strategies, or simply Indicators. Go ahead and click on that. A new window or panel will pop up showing a list of built-in indicators, community scripts, and strategies. What we're interested in here is the Strategies tab or category. If you don't see it immediately, look for a heading or filter that says Strategies and select it. This filters the list so you're only seeing tools that can perform backtesting and generate trading entries and exits, rather than just visual indicators. Now that you're inside the Strategies section, it's time to add the RSI. Locate the search box at the top of that panel and type in RSI. You'll see several results, but you're looking for the RSI-related strategy available in your platform. Once you find it, click on it once. As soon as you do, TradingView will automatically apply that RSI strategy to your active chart. You should now see two things: the RSI panel itself, usually appearing below the price chart, and a series of visual markers on the chart, such as buy and sell signals, along with a strategy tester panel at the bottom. This panel shows performance metrics like net profit, number of trades, and other statistics that help you evaluate how the RSI strategy would have performed historically. From here, you can customize the RSI settings by hovering over the strategy name on your chart and clicking the settings icon. Adjust values like the RSI length or the overbought and oversold levels to match your personal trading style. Then review how those changes affect the backtest in the strategy tester. And if you're not already on TradingView Pro, make sure to use the link in my description to sign up and unlock these strategy